everyone, my name's Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our beautiful Shavo Single door today. Alright guys, so we're on the Shavo door. So this is a 42 by 96 inch door. How that gets measured is from the outside of the frame to the outside of the frame. That's 42 inches. From the bottom of the threshold all the way to the top peak of the frame, that's 96 inches. Now this is, I'll give you guys the story about this door in a second. This is an oil rub bronze door. It has Aquatex glass. It's being featured with the Aquatex glass on this door. We do have different colors available and different glass types available on this door. Also, this door comes in a double and in different shapes. So in the square top and full arch, all those different shapes. Reason why it's called Shavo, my brother was a humongous System of a Down fan. It's a band. They started a band. He was a bass player. He inspired him to become a bass player. So he ended up, fast forward 10 years later, Shavo's wife ended up calling him, telling him, hey, we need a front door. My dad, Shavo, and my brother ended up designing a door together. This was the design. They ended up using it at his house. And Shavo told them that, you know, you're more than welcome to use my name and actually use the design. So this is the Shavo door. This is a door that we designed for his house. And now we're making for everyone else. But cool little story. I probably didn't give you guys the best details on it, but probably look at the other Shavo door videos and I'll probably have explained it a little bit better. But anyways, these are all solid metal pickets that have been heated up and banged, but with an artisan made all these things, all these little designs. These are little clamps that hold the designs together. Awesome door. This is a super heavy gauge. I don't even know what gauge this is. Maybe 0 gauge or 1 gauge piece of flat metal that we laser cut and put that in there. Pretty cool door. Awesome design. I think it's very timeless and it'll last for a long time with design also. Let me flip this around and show you guys what the other side looks like. I'll show you guys how the door opens. You twist the knobs, flick it over, and glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass and clean all the scroll work when it gets dirty, when it gets dusty. We do have 2 pieces of rubbers on the glass, so one here, one more on the door itself. This little piece right here, we have it sloped down, so if you have any kind of sideways rain hitting the door that passes your overhang, it'll let the water drain down and not sit there. What else? Let me show you guys how the door opens. Door opens up. We have little roller catches here. Most of our doors have this. You can adjust these things in and out. They'll create tension between the door and the frame without any kind of locking system. That basically puts less strain on your actual lock itself. On a windy day when it can flap around back and forth, these little rollers will actually, there's another one down here, will actually hold the tension from it. There's standard bore holes also. Center to center is 5.5. 2 3/4 back set. So from the center to this to here is 2 3/4, and 2-inch thick door thickness. Okay, they come all pre-drilled, pre-tapped, ready to go. All our doors have, most of our doors, I should say, have a 1-piece frame. So it's with the threshold, it's all welded together. You grab it. These are the little mounting tabs that we use. This is a frame that's rolling on. Take that, put it on, level it out. If it's good, you grab the door, male and female hinges, stick it on, and you're pretty much done. Pretty simple system, heavy, secure, and it'll last you forever. You don't have to worry about reconditioning your door because it's a wooden door and every couple of years you got to stain it. Done. Put this in, it'll last you for a really long time. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next door. Thank you. Everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our beautiful Shavo door today. If you guys have any questions, leave some comments, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS irondoors.com, or you can call us 844-843-6677. Thank you for watching.